So during 1882 to 1883, okay, there are several forests were established and by this wise man called, what's the name? Nathaniel Kenley. Okay, and one of the forests is where I'm standing right now, Bukit Timah, okay, which was established in 1883. Yeah, 1883. Okay, this is actually one of the highest hill in Singapore. Actually, I'm not sure. Maybe not lah. I don't know if you can hear me, you know, because I'm on mask and there's a lot of people and I'm scared. People think I'm retarded. Okay, but anyways, it's about 163 plus meters high with 1.6 something square kilometers, about 400 acres big. So it's quite big, and yeah, so let's go. In 1937, this place was depleted under economic pressure for development, but this Bukit Timah Nature Reserve and also two other areas which I'm not very sure were protected because they want to leave this place. I guess want to leave this place as a forest for people to come and to save the so many ants, save the plants and the animals here. And you might be thinking when you come here whether there's any animals. I'm not sure. I mean, I've seen some animals. But they never really come and kacau me and my friend. So the best thing to do is to not bring any food here. If not, they will probably come and chase you. Yeah. And you're also thinking, what is there to do in Bukit Timah? Well, Bukit Timah, you can actually see, when you come here, you can actually see a lot of like old people. They actually come here and walk up the hill and walk down the hill. It's part of the exercise, and it's no joke, I swear. I walk up, even for me, it's tiring. Imagine old people doing that. Salute. People actually do come cycling, so that's the guy behind me is cycling. Yeah, that one. Yeah, he's actually cycling. There's actually a path, like mountain biking. There's actually a path to cycle here. I think it's around the whole Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. And also, Dairy Farm Quarry actually open to people who likes to rock climb. But then, it's super dangerous. I actually went inside and the rocks, right, it's like that. See, it's actually like protruding out type, and there's no safety net or something. So basically, right, if the first guy who climb out, right, must be super pro to climb up by hand. Okay, but salute lah. It's a good place to climb here, and it's very nice. Not even kidding. And it said that this Bukit Timah hill is the highest hill in Singapore, which I don't think it is. I really don't think it is, but then again, I feel like Bukit Timah hill is the only hill in Singapore. So obviously it's the highest hill. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, I'll probably be wrong. Not the only hill, but the highest in Singapore? No, I don't think so. Next time you all can come here and check it out. This is one of the forests. Bukit Timah. Came with my friend. Decided to just vlog here. Oh, actually very nice. Decided to just vlog here and yeah. Oh my god, got bees. Yeah, so yeah.